Hello aspirants, welcome to Careers 360. Today, we'll be discussing the types and various categories that come under the UPSC Civil Services. The Union Public Service Commission conducts the civil services exams every year. The UPSC Civil Services exam is one of the premier exams in India. UPSC shortlists the candidates in 3 stages: prelims exams, mains, and personality test or interview. Candidates who qualify in all 3 stages are eligible to be recruited to different category posts like All India Civil Services, Group A Civil Services, and Group B Civil Services posts in the various government departments across the country. The various civil services posts under the All India Civil Services posts are Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, and Indian Police Service. The Group A posts include Indian Audit and Account Service, Indian Civil Account Service, Indian Corporate Law Service, Indian Defence Account Service, Indian Defence Estate Service, Indian Informative Service, Indian Postal Service, Indian P&T Accounts and Finance Service, Indian Railway Protection Force Service, Indian Revenue Service Customs and Indirect Taxes, Indian Revenue Service Income Tax, Indian Trade Service Grade 3, Indian Railway Management Service. The Group B posts include Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Service, Section Officers Grade, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli Civil Service, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli Police Service, Pondicherry Civil Service, Pondicherry Police Service. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will clarify the various posts under the Civil Services exam. For more information and related videos, follow our Careers 360 page and like and subscribe to our channel.